that men and women may achieve equally in any endeavor they set out.
Erakordsed inimesed muudavad maailma erakordseks.
So she was really a clever little girl.
Pühendatud neile, kes nõudsid inimkonnalt vastust. Neile, kes kirjutasid oma nimed jäädavalt ajalukku. Pioneeridele, kes inspireerisid terveid põlvkondi.
She wanted to be a symbol of what women could do when they were not being held back. She was an inspiration in her own lifetime.
National Geographic toob teieni dokumentaalfilmide sarja, pühendatud neile, kes sillutasid teed muutustele. Maailmamuutjad 8. jaanuarist National Geographicus.